on the sub when you get at me. Now you running like an athlete. I'm going up while you was napping. Hit me when you moving, now I'm texting. Niggas talking beef, nigga, nada. Tryna get this chicken like Popeyes. I stay in my bag like hot rides. Watching all my moves till they cockeyed. Emotional. These people that be.
Yo, your boy almost went down, man. What? No, listen. Your boy did something crazy. But I came in way too hot for my limits. But now I know I saved it. But now I know where I need to be at, bro. Basically, it was the first session for me, and I already missed a couple sessions because I had to do a few things to the bike and all that. But yeah, I went around like 4 times. Went around the track like 3 or 4 times, 4 laps, and then I kept getting mad at myself. I'm like, why I keep braking too early? So I'm approaching the back straight, what, after the bowl, I think? And I'm like, look, this time I'm about to pin down, and they got new asphalt, it's a new track. I mean, they got new asphalt on there right now, so it's real smooth and black. It was just crazy. So anyways, I was going down the straight. I just tuck, butt back, gassing out. Bro, next thing I know it, I see 2, 1, the braking markers. Bro, I'm already coming way too hot for myself. Like, I literally like stood up, started braking, and I wasn't even like, bro, I was coming in so fast and the dirt was approaching me. I'm like, bro, I'm not about to go into this dirt. I literally just hit it, bro. And I was coming in too hot for myself. But like I said, at least I know where I need to be at. But Miller and Jordan and a couple people were saying, man, I gotta keep my head up, man. I sometimes tend to just get in the zone sometimes, and then it was just black. It just got like locked in or something. Like, I gotta make sure I stay up so I can see everything, bro. It came up way too fast. But other than that, good first session, man. Sent me over here. Gotta get my suspension done. First time ever, man. Need it.
In the right place. This guy's the man.
Let's do it. Just got my suspension dialed in. He said my suspension was way off.
It's gonna feel a lot different now.
Oh man, I know. I was asking him. I was like, how? Like, what am I even going to feel? But he was like, man, just the turn and the tightness, the control. Man, I need it.
I know these bikes more than anything ever.
That's what he said. That's why I was like, yes.
What tire pressure are you running?
30s, about right now. 30 about. What should I have?
34.30.
Really?
34.30 or 34.28.
Okay. Life's looking rough. Looking rough. Was my suspension way too loose?
It was too soft on the preload.
Too soft?
Yeah, not enough preload.
Yeah, my thing was way too, he said I had it on like the tightest setting, so he made it for my weight and everything, so it should be much better. I should be able to tighten the bike up a little bit, so I'm eager to try it, man. Keep it easy.
All right. Oh!
No! Hey, let him through your bike, dog.
That's the warm-up lap. Warm-up lap. I'm like, there was this many people out here when I did it?
No, there wasn't with me either.
Damn.
I'm getting the picture of this.
Someday out,
Look
bro.
at him. Is that dude?
Like the blues.
Oh, you did it! Gotcha!
Jordan is like 6.
Right at the flip-flop.
Bro, is he in second? Jordan really crashed.
I think he crashed you, right?
He was going into turn 10 probably.
Bro, he's pissed.
My electronics went out.
You said what? You went to shift? But what, at the start, you just gave it a little bit too much power?
No, I was in second gear and I had launch control on.
You were
And
in
it didn't
second gear at the start and it still did that?
work. Yeah.
Bro, I'm fucking pissed.
We already said that.
I laid it down to like 5 miles per hour in the
Dude, that was a second gear takeoff with launch control.
Yeah, I saw that.